What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Tonight, pag-uusapan natin yung strong group athletics. Tapos lagyan natin ng sprinkle ng Zamboanga Valientes kung gaano sila kagaling to win the Dubai tournament. That's gonna
Yep.
happen in a few weeks. I think next week na sila. They're
Next week.
leaving.
Next week.
Oo, they're
26 to 4, I think. Actually, yung schedule nito comes out tomorrow. Yung schedule ng kung sino yung
Ooh.
mga kalaban ng
Inaabangan mo talaga, ah.
SJ.
Inaabangan mo
Oh, check
talaga.
ko kasi gusto ko tingnan kung mananalo tayo, hindi eh.
O
I
walang
don't
Al
know the
Riyadi.
teams. Yeah, I think once the schedule comes out, we can talk about what the chances are of winning the tournament naman.
Actually, kasi pwede
Pero for
natin check yung
now,
ano eh. Oo.
yeah, for now we'll talk
Parang
about
roster.
yeah. But for now, we'll talk about nga yung lineups mismo because there are the names on this SGA roster which I think everybody is excited about.
Yeah, so let's go through it no guys. So yung lineup ng SGA ngayon will be, of course, DeMarcus Cousins, Andre Blatch, Ange Kwame, Terry Laurier,
No idea who that
David
is.
Defonso, Renz Abando, Mikey Williams, Tony Inot,
Tony
Allen
White?
Liwag, ano no?
No, go ahead, go ahead.
Malachi Richardson, Allen Liwag, Justin Sanchez, and Jason Brickman. So si Luis Pablo is a reserve player. Based na nakuha
Reserve
kong
si Luis.
Yeah, based na nakuha kong information kanina. So they're riding with 12 guys.
Okay.
Pero Pabs will still go with them sa alam ko, a reserve player just in case may mangyari. Knock on wood, sana wala namang mangyari.
Hopefully not.
And short kwento lang no, I was there kanina sa SGA Media Day. I was invite 2 second straight year na Mario. In-invite ko si Mario,
Yeah.
lagi meron siyang something with family.
Always on Sunday. It's been a reunion day every time na may SGA press
Sumasakto no?
conference.
Sumasakto no?
Literally every time.
Game ka naman sana, like just to be there,
Of
ano.
course, dude. I mean, who doesn't want to have the chance? To be fair, I've watched most of these guys play already. I
Pero in
probably,
person, iba eh, no?
yeah.
Nakita, iba yung ano.
Yeah, I mean, to be, I've watched most of these guys play in person also, but like it was. I think the most one that I have not seen is DeMarcus Cousins, and I think that's where we should start. When we discuss this team, guys, DeMarcus Cousins probably the second biggest name that Philippine basketball has ever had a chance to play with, right? Number one, I think I would argue would be Dwight Howard, and then number
Number one
two
pa rin si
is
Dwight for me. Number one ko
yeah,
si
I
Dwight pa
agree.
rin.
The number two is Boogie. Exciting to see. Medyo na-excite ako makita kung paano siya maglalaro. If people aren't familiar with him, which I really doubt, kilala naman si Boogie Cousins, bruising big with a three-point shot, has a temper, but hopefully di naman yun magagamit dito. Uh, so yeah, excited to see Boogie Cousins, especially because it's been a while since people have kept talking about that they want to see DeMarcus play for the Philippines in any way, shape, or form. So medyo exciting to.
Kwento ko rin nangyari rin kanina kay Boogie Cousins. So match up siya kay Ange.
Oh,
He
talaga ba?
was
Tama naman.
torching Ange the whole time.
I'd hope
Again,
so.
yeah, dapat lang, 'di ba? NBA All-Star.
I'd hope so. No offense,
Tapos
Ange. I love you, but
he's
no.
mostly playing the perimeter 90% of the time. And that was from the scrimmages and dun sa mga practice time.
Perimeter.
So, sa perimeter siya. Bihira siya magposte kanina or staying at the post. He was
Talaga
mostly
ba?
perimeter and mid-range. At yung wild is, bro, siguro I only saw him miss like 2, 3 times sa tres na contested. Grabe talaga. Iba yung
Mamaw. Iba
mamaw
yung
talaga
NBA
sa tres.
caliber.
Iba NBA ka. So si Dwight last year, mamaw sa inside the paint. Whenever he gets it
Yeah.
inside, wala na. Si
Yeah.
Boogie, it doesn't matter kung may bantay or wala sa tres. Swak na swak.
Swak. I mean, to be fair,
Grabe.
I think medyo spoiled tayo for talent in this SGA lineup. Uh, to have the opportunity for us to see Boogie Cousins play talaga, I think it's gonna be really fun for SGA. And he gets to play alongside who
Yeah,
I think
go.
he said this is his last time playing. This is his
Mm.
last tournament, Mr. Andre Blatch. I understand people's worries about this, guys. Nakita ko rin naman yung katawan ni Andre, guys. Alam kong malaki yan. Pero, this is like maybe his last hurrah playing in any sort of professional league. I mean, not professional. In any sort of tournament or anything. He's not getting any older, any younger. He's not losing any weight. Pero it's still fun to say. Remember, Andre Blatch was that guy who kind of revitalized, um, or I don't know about revitalized, pero to me, one of the bigger names that helped the Gilas program kind of get to where it is right now. Siya yun.
Pioneer. Talagang
Yeah, one of
ano,
the
kaya
pioneers
napamahal
of
siya ng Pilipino. Napamahal
yeah,
siya. Na mahal siya ng Filipinos.
yeah. So Just let him have this one. Don't expect too much from him. Tangina, just let him enjoy it. If this is his last one, I'm glad it's with a Philippine team, not gonna lie.
Yeah, for Andre Blatch, wala tayong expectations. But he's gonna get a few threes in there. Kung ano
Yeah.
yung ginawa niya last year, parang ganun. He's gonna get a
Yeah.
sprinkle maybe of 15 minutes. Depende sa kalaban.
Yeah.
Depende talaga. Kasi we have some good bigs naman eh. So
Oh
another
yeah.
one, oh, we really have good bigs. Next up is Ange Kwame, na-mention na natin yung kanina. Si
My
Ange is
boy
healthy.
Ange.
Oh, healthy siya. Wala siyang knee issues
Yeah, my
ngayon.
boy
At least
Ange.
sa alam ko diba, they can say anything naman.
Mm.
Just kasi 'di ba who knows
Yeah.
the
But still,
opposing teams might be scouting.
fun. Last time I think we saw Ange was in Meralco.
The last time we saw Ange was with Meralco ESL.
Meralco, EASL, right? Uh, he looked good. So now again, and he'll be able to learn from Dre and DeMarcus Cousins again. It'll be fun as well for the players themselves. It'll be really fun, even for Ange, dude. Who
Ex-
we have to remember, he loves representing the Philippines. Ange Kwame loves representing the Philippines. Just doesn't really get much of the opportunity kasi nga naturalized player siya and may Brownlee ka pa naman and everything.
Oo, tama.
Pero ayun pa rin. It's nice that he's given this opportunity right now to represent the country kahit pa paano.
Next up is si Terry Laurier. To be
Who
honest,
the
hindi ko siya
heck?
nakita
Who is
kanina.
that?
Wala siya
Who is that?
kanina.
Ah,
He's a
real?
big. Terry
The
Laurier.
big.
I didn't see him a while ago. Wala siya sa media day. He's the only guy na
Ah,
wala.
baka FSA
So,
yan ng ano. Baka FSA yan ng CSB. Ay, di wala pala FSA
FSA,
yung...
Terry Laurier. Wala FSA ano eh.
Wala pa
Oh, he's
FSA yung
29,
CSB.
hindi na rin pwede. Kung meron man FSA ang NC, hindi
Oh,
na rin
tanda
pwede
na
si
pala.
Terry Laurier. So he's the, ano here, former LA Clipper, based dito
Clipper
sa
yan!
Google.
Ah,
LA, dati.
no
And
longer a
not
fan. No
much
longer a fan. Shut
to know about Terry Laurier with regards to that. Wala rin siya kanina, that's what I wanted eh. No, okay. Ano ba tong Terry Laurier to? How does he play? From the looks of it, he doesn't shoot a three. He has bad shooting. Ito based sa NBA Summer League. Pero not
I'll be
much.
real.
We don't know.
I don't think you need much shooting with your lineup right now. Let him be a big if he needs to be a big. Baka ano yan, baka pinapractice ni ano yan, baka pinapractice ni Coach Charles yan para sa Converge.
I don't
Baka,
know.
baka may chance na maging
They're
import
happy with
ng
Check
Converge.
Diallo. I'm not gonna replace Check Diallo.
He
Diba? You're not
can't be
gonna
there for
replace
all the
him.
conferences.
No, Terry Laurier is
6'8".
6'8 eh.
Yeah,
No,
kasha
she...
siya.
No, 6'6 lang yung isa eh. Yung isang
6'6" ba yun?
governors. 6'6
Ah,
lang
okay.
yung governors eh.
Baka siya yung backup import ng Converge na hindi natin alam. Tapos
Well,
pag
wala na
may
siya
injury si
kanina.
Check.
So, yun yung
Yeah.
isa. So, siya yung mystery guy. Let's see how good he is. Let's see how he makes an impact. Next one, Dave
Oh,
Ildefonso.
these next three names, I'm so excited, man.
Dave, o sige,
Uh,
Dave muna.
David Ildefonso, bro, haven't seen him in a while. I was
Haven't seen
really
him in a
excited
while.
for him when he was signed to, when he was drafted to Northport because he fits Northport, I think. Northport, di ba? Tama ako, no? He fits quite well. Alam ko naman yung sinasabi nila na may chance na malipat siya ng SMB? SMB ba yun? Or whatever.
SMB ba?
Um,
O gusto kong patrade sa Converge? Hindi ko alam eh.
either or ata yan eh. Either SMB, either Converge, whichever makes them happy. So ayun, David
Angel
Defonso is an
Baby.
exciting one. If you ask me, haven't seen him in a while as well. Slashing forward, may tira sa labas. Tsaka again, this may for me, I'm just gonna say this as bluntly as I can.
Go.
May onting politics that's happening here. You can't tell me that it's a coincidence that Dave Ildefonso is playing, Mikey Williams is playing as well. You can't tell me these are
Galing
coincidences.
eh, no? Oh, ganda na mga next names
Come
natin.
on,
Ganda yung next names
guys.
natin.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
next and then next
anyways.
is Renz. Man, excited ako for Renzo Bando. Kasi shoot, I truly believe Renzo Bando has a spot in Gilas if he's healthy. One of the better perimeter defenders in the league, better rebounders, and a very good shooter. I hope right now he's healthy. Last time I saw him, his back was messed up. Um,
Pero he played after that. Naglaro pa siya for... Kasi yung back na yun, that was before the Taiwan
mm,
Jones Cup. Di ba nag-Jones Cup ang SGA?
hindi ko maalala.
Yung back... Oh, yun yung kasama si Kiefer. Yun yung SG...
Ah, yun. Okay, okay.
Nag-champion sila.
Duh.
Anyway, point ko is that was after the back injury
Ah, okay.
sa KBL.
Ayun. Does he look good? I haven't seen him in a while, to be fair. I haven't really checked
Very
up on him.
athletic.
Looks monster,
Healthy,
honestly.
very healthy. Dapat lang kasi wala namang, he's not playing with the pro team right now.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
mean,
and he's
he
still
should be
waiting for
though.
offers though. Still waiting for international offers.
Ah, that's why. That's why.
Oh,
Okay.
walang
That's,
news
that's pretty
about
good.
joining the PBA draft, but more of waiting for offers from
Yeah.
international. As he should. He's young. Dapat naman.
Yeah.
Mikey Williams. Mikey Williams.
Woo! Mikey Williams is back. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm excited. I want to see how it goes. And again, I will say this because I feel like saying it. Hindi, in my genuine opinion, this is not a, ang tawag dun? Mali yung sinasabi kong word eh. Minisip akong word. This is
Ano?
not a, hindi siya coincidence. Hindi talaga to coincidence if you ask
Na
me.
he
That
went
David
back.
Defonso is playing and Mikey Williams is playing for a team that is handled by by Converge coach Charles Chu. Not a coincidence, but whatever. Anyway, Mikey Williams is gonna be fun. I haven't seen him in a while as well. A lot of these guys we haven't seen in a while, but we know what Mikey Williams brings to the table. Alam naman natin kung sino si Mikey Williams. Shooter, one of the best shooters I think Philippine basketball has seen. Uh and yeah, I hope he's healthy. I hope he's healthy. I hope he plays well as well.
Yeah, great. Yeah, ang galing niya rin sa practice kanina, Mikey Williams. Parang
Talaga?
akala mo,
Can he keep up with ano sila
oh,
Boogie?
swabe talaga. Iba naman
Swabe
si
pa rin.
Boogie. Pero
Yeah.
nakakasabay siya kina Malakay. Nakakasabay siya sa
Ah, talaga.
kina
Swab
Malakay.
pa
Eh,
rin.
Malakay 6'6". Pero swabe pa rin si Mikey. Alam mo
Swabe
yung
pa rin.
ano niya,
Oo.
dribbling niya na ano, yung swabe si Mikey. Yung kala mo,
Mm.
sasablay yung tres off the, oh, ano yun, parang he's
Ah, yung
leaning to
ano,
the right.
yung
Yung
parang
mga ganon.
gagong
Tapos
step
pasok.
back
Tapos,
screen niya.
sabi ko, wow,
Yeah. It's been a
TNT
while.
Mikey to
Yeah,
ah.
medyo nakakalimutan ata ng mga tao kung gaano kagaling si Mikey. Medyo, I'm curious to see how he
Yeah, it's
plays.
puro ano kasi, mostly puro negative ano media
Yeah.
yung that surrounds Mikey Williams. Pero kanina was
Don't
very
forget who
nice. He
he
was asked,
is.
yeah, don't forget. And he watched the TNT game against
He did.
Ginebra.
That's so mature, I guess. That's so mature of him to do.
Hindi, that means may saving ano pa. May saving chance pa na. 'Di ba kung sobrang sama ng loob mo sa mga boss mo, di mo papakita
Hindi
sa
ka
team
pupunta.
na
Hindi
'yan.
ka pupunta. Oo, hindi ka pupunta.
O, 'di ba?
Uh,
Kung may sobrang sama
uh,
ng loob,
Oo, hindi ka pupunta. Yeah.
but yeah,
Tapos, I remember he said na may sinabi din siya na parang he's not letting it, he's not giving it no chance. Parang may sinabi siyang ganyan eh.
na
Parang,
parang let's see where it goes, parang ganun yung
yeah.
conversation eh.
Parang, let's see where it goes. If it wins, if it goes, it goes. That's cool. That's fun
So
for
this is
Mikey.
ano, this Dubai tournament will be their showcase, no? To show na
Yeah.
we still got
I
it.
guess. Yeah. Dude, I
Lalo na sila
have,
Dave.
yeah. Si Dave talaga. I think
Mga may
Dave,
papakilang pakita.
Mikey,
Renz
Dave, Mikey, pati
also
si
looking
ano,
for a team.
who? Sorry?
Renz Abando, he's looking for a team
Ah,
to
yeah,
sign him.
Renz. May, yung isa pa for me na pwede, si Jason Brickman.
Oh yeah, we can talk about
Kasi pa,
Jason Brickman
yeah,
next. Ihuli na lang natin yung CSB boys as a whole
yeah,
na sila natin pag-usapan.
yeah. Jason Brickman just declared, no? Didn't
Yeah,
he
he said na his
finally?
game.
Yeah,
Oh,
he just declared. So, like now, nag-showcase na rin to ni Jason Brickman na, hey, yo, PBA teams, you don't know, I'm this good. The last time I saw Jason Brickman, I hope I'm correct. I think he played for Mono Vampire. I think, ah.
I
Uh,
remember seeing him sa T1 naman, Taiwan League.
Taiwan League, okay.
Doon yung last
Uh,
memory ko of him.
Talaga ba? Taiwan League. Nag-Taiwan League pala siya. Ah, yeah, I think
Like
so.
T1,
Anyway.
T1 si Jason Brickman. Mm.
Anyway, so this is another showcase for him. So may mga players in this team who have a chance to showcase yung skills nila. Who have a chance to showcase na um these PBA teams can get me. These international teams can get me also. May chance pa ng international teams. Namely Dave, Renz, Mikey, Jason Brickman, even Alan Diwag if given the chance. I'm not sure. He has a chance to go abroad if he can. Uh, uh, I haven't seen Jason in a while, but I know he's a pure point guard. Alam kong pure point guard si Jason Brickman. Um, and I think if you look at this entire lineup, yan yung medyo baka lacking is a pure point guard. Because Mikey, admittedly, is not a point guard. Mikey will shoot the ball if you give him the
SG,
basketball.
no.
No. Same as Renz is not really looking to pass the ball. Tony Inot, pwede pa. Malachi Richardson, I think he's more of a forward in this lineup. So Jason Brickman, I think, will be a very good point guard for this team, and I think he'll impress a lot of people.
Mhm. Um, Lastly, Malakay so far has been used as a shooter, wing guy talaga, 3 and D. Si
3 and
Malakay.
D, yung NBA? Cool.
I mean,
Andre
this is a Dubai
Roberson.
tournament ah. This is Dubai tournament.
Yeah.
Yeah, pero imagine mo mas bagay technically si DeMarcus with Andre Robertson than Dwight and Andre. So sikip eh. Nalala mo? Medyo
To
masikip
be
yung
fair,
paint nun
man,
eh.
sobrang shooter ni Roberson last time we saw him.
Sa Dubai. Hindi,
Yeah, he was
pero the
making
fact,
his
mas
shots.
fit-wise, I prefer the DeMarcus Robertson tandem sana.
Tas Dwight Malakay, ganun.
Oo, parang Dwight
Oo.
Mala. Pero then
Again.
again, mas pipili si DeMarcus and Andre Robertson. Dre is still Robertson, I still like an NBA vet. Malakay didn't
Yeah.
last in the league.
Malakay
Like, dude,
hasn't been in the league for a while. Yeah, Malakay wasn't in the league for long. Pero
kasi
magaling naman
Robertson was
siya.
instrumental na alam mong that's the stopper of OKC na KD
Mhm.
Ross,
Yeah.
Harden, yeah, got a Robertson there.
Bro, pati last season nung kalaban yung other teams sa tournament, si Robertson pa rin yung main stopper, main
Oh,
option nga yun. Kasi, let's be real, Dwight Howard doesn't really have the best shot creation. He's the biggest guy on the court. Pero,
yeah, but he's a no talaga, you gotta feed him.
yeah,
He's a guy na kailangan mo i-feed. He's not like Boogie na akin na yung bola,
ako
create
bahala.
ako. Ako
Totoo.
bahala.
I
At
was
swabe
hoping
tingnan.
na,
Hindi yung parang pucha pilit ah.
yeah, I was hoping that we'd see, what's his name again? Mackenzie Moore. I was hoping we'd see
Yeah,
Mackenzie.
wala si Mackenzie ngayon, no? Wala
Yeah,
siya
I was
eh.
hoping we'd see him, honestly.
I don't know
Kasi,
why. Maybe di ko sure kung saan siya nakakommit or
baka injured
something.
pa rin siya. Di ba,
Grabe namang
di ba na-injure
injury.
siya? Uy, ano yun, ha? Wasn't that, ano? Wasn't that like a hamstring? Something like that?
Can confirm. I can't confirm ano ba
I
yung
don't
nangyari
remember.
kay.
Anyway,
Hmm.
so, I thought I would see him here kasi I find Mackenzie Moore talaga shooter yun.
Magaling talaga
Excited
si
to see
Mackenzie.
Malachi Richardson. I'm fairly certain if given the opportunity, I think we'll be able to attend one of their practices again. Hopefully, right? So,
Or if not, we're gonna stream the games. We can stream the
yeah,
game eh kasi
yeah.
ano eh. Bala ko bilhin sa Twitch yung ano eh, yung
Ah,
Dubai
talaga
game.
ba? Eh, price, magkano
Mura
ba yun?
lang eh. Or harap ako ng stream.
Ah, update me.
Oh,
Anyway,
to
so yeah,
stream natin. Produce live. Just react to it.
totoo. Yeah, excited again.
Lastly guys, CSB
CSB
boys.
boys. Ay, well, si Pablo, very taga
Ay,
Data
hindi,
City.
he's a reserve player. Okay
Yeah.
lang. The
Let's talk
CSB
about CSB.
boys.
I think for
Um,
me, CSB boys, this
yeah,
is time for them to gain some confidence back.
need some confidence back. Naano
Uh,
sila ng mapuwi eh.
Yeah, I mean, guys, to be fair, kinantot sila ni Clint Escamis. uh, so right now, I think this is a very good chance for the CSB boys to gain some confidence back in how well their team plays.
Mm.
Again, these are your three main guys if you're in CSB, except for maybe Antonio Sebio, who
Oo.
I would put maybe in the top three. But this is Tony Inot, Alan Liwag, and Justin Sanchez. Your three guys who were supposed to bring you a championship this year and were unable to. Ito dapat sila. I think now Coach Charles wants to add some international experience to
Mm-mm.
all three players kasi they could bring it to the NCAA.
Yeah, exactly. And
Yung for me the best option, for me the best person here, I mean the person with the share ko lang random
oh,
point. Tingnan niyo yung lagay ni Allen Liwag dito. Forward guard.
yeah,
Si
kasi ano
Allen
eh,
Liwag,
no?
6'6", pero sa NCAA, mas malaki yan sa lahat ng tao.
Sentro sa NCAA
So,
pero dito sa
sentro yan.
tournament, I'm sure ilalagay siya sa wing.
Yeah, so right now
Which
he's
as
gonna
he should
learn.
transition to. Like if
Oo,
he wants
if
an
you want to.
international career, you wanna, di
Exactly.
ba?
Exactly. So this is your chance if you're Liwag, for me to learn how to play that forward and maybe even chance of a guard position. To be fair, he's shown flashes. For some reason, he knows how to dribble the ball well. And he means that has a shot. Pero now kailangan mo medyo mahasa yun under strong group in this tournament.
Yeah. That's all I can say about it. And the SGA team without ano tawag dito. So far, guys, habang wala pa yung roster ng ibang teams
Yeah.
and seeing this lineup and walang Al Riyadi knowing that sila yung defending champs. So far, very confident with strong group na sila yung magka-champion.
I
Without
know.
knowing na the other teams yet. Like
Yeah.
just the fact na
Lineup
Al
wise,
Riyadi kasi yung barometer eh
yeah,
for
of
me.
course. Yeah,
Pero
yeah.
syempre we're gonna see some wild imports again. Na,
Yeah,
like last time, di ba?
did we
We have like,
see
oh, pucha, galing may import dito.
yeah,
Yung
we saw
taga
Carlik.
Meralco, yung sasabi ko sa'yo.
Did we see Carly?
Yung,
Si ano, si Kennedy.
si Kennedy ba yun? Hindi, may isa, gwardiya
Na-kill?
yun eh. Hindi, yung Meralco guard dati, na nag 50 points, tapos he was torch, basta, I forgot his name.
Gagi, naalala ko
But
siya.
you know, diba, alam mo, like, yung sabi ko parang Bradley Beal gumalaw.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Mamaw yun. Lupit nun, men. Yun malala. I
Nobody could
remember him.
stop him sa SGA
Yeah.
nun. Like,
Nobody
Robertson
could
was
stop
assigned
him
to
in the
him, he was still
PBA nun.
torching Robertson. He had like
Yeah.
38, 39. But they lost
That
by
guy was
15
good.
kasi,
That
kasi
guy
sila
was
yung gumagawa.
Yeah, that guy was good, good. Yun alam ko talaga magaling yun. And then, yeah. And then, aside from the SJA team, obviously we want to talk about
Let's
the
go through the
other,
Zamboanga Valientes.
yeah, we want to talk about the other Filipino team who is
Mm-mm.
there. And I want to highlight two players in specific, Fortsky Padrigao and Nick Caballero. Great
Mm-mm.
opportunity for them also to show what they can be in the international scene. Especially Nick Caballero. Diba? Nick wanted, may talks of Nick wanting to go abroad. And he can. Pero ito yung chance niya, I think. Again, he's improved his three-point shot very well also. And Fortsy Padegrao, I think, will become the main point guard for this roster of Zamboanga Valientes.
Let's go through the Zamboanga team, no? Yung at least yung popular ones kasi at least or
Yeah.
at least ano yung recorded on paper by
Uh,
tiebreaker times. Thank you.
yeah.
UAP MVP Malik Diouf, FEU legend Mike Tolomia,
Legend.
Fortsky Padrigao and Nick Cabanero from the USC Growling Tigers, which is great for their development heading
Yeah.
into the UAP.
Totoo.
Masasanay sila sa international competition.
Totoo.
Just imagine how crazy it would be if Zamboanga beats SGA. Sobrang nakagago yun kung mangyari yun. Malik
Put
Diouf
Wojtki
over
Padrigal
Cousins.
and Nick Cabanero back straight into the PBA. Put Prince Caperal back in the PBA right now.
Oh,
if
and the
we,
rest of the PBA guys are, yun nga, let's go through it. Kit Jimenez, Prince Capera, Rudy Lingganay, Kent Holmquist, and Big
sorry if we don't
Man.
know how to pronounce it, guys.
Yeah, sorry. Paki-correct kami sa comments. At yung sa Emeralco import guys, yung last time, yung sasabi namin na parang Bradley Beal na comment nyo lang rin kung alam nyo. Kasi there's always some
Mhm.
guys here na alam talaga yung lore ng
Yeah.
imports in the PBA. And last one is Big Sam Deguara na 7'5",
Laki nun.
7'6".
Hey man,
It's gonna be a
I'm
challenge.
excited to see Deguara and Malik Diouf together. Puchik. Man,
Putik.
no, I respect Boogie, but boy, those boys are
Ang lalaki
boys,
pa
man.
rin.
Those boys are
Lalaki talaga.
big. Those boys are big as hell. Di
Pero
sila
ano
joke.
ex-teammate ni cousin si Sam sa Zamboanga Valientes. Cousins
Yes,
was
I
with
remember.
Zamboanga, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
That was so
So
random. Like,
this is like
oh,
a
okay.
little revenge rivalry. Parang hindi naman.
Di
Pero
man revenge for cousins. It's just like,
yeah,
I just love to play
like
the game.
it's just fun to be playing against the team you used to play with, diba? I think people have mentioned that before. Na one of the funner times to play is against like remember I don't know if you guys saw it because I for sure did. Sorry.
Hmm.
I for sure did. That guy, D'Angelo Russell, tried to end the Lakers the other night.
Unti ka
I
na eh,
mean,
no?
yeah, putik pre. I mean, yesterday pala yan. Putik pre, pag pumasok yun, iyak ako. Not gonna lie. As a Laker fan, guys, I'm sorry. Pag pumasok yun. And then, Cat likes playing against Minnesota. Julius Randle likes playing against New York. Yung mga ganyan. This time naman, Boogie is gonna be going up against Malik Diouf and his old team, and his old team. Medyo masaya. And another add-on point is, yung kay Kit, medyo, this could be fun for Kit Jimenez. Right? Kakatanggal lang sa kanya. Not man tanggal. I don't want to say tanggal. He was just unrostered, I guess, by SMB. So now he's able to play his game again. We haven't seen him in a while. But people love Kit Jimenez. So this Zamboanga team looks to be fun naman.
Yeah. That's pretty much it about the Zamboanga Valientes team. I'm hoping they face each other in the playoffs. I'm hoping they reach the finals, two Filipino teams. That's already a big win for us.
That's
It's
already a
still,
win. That's already
yeah.
anybody can take it. I'm fairly sure it's gonna be SGA though in that scenario.
But just imagine how crazy, how fucked up it would be if it's Valientes beats SGA. Sabay natin sa
I'd be
finals ha,
surprised.
sabay sa finals. Sobrang magagago. Parang what? Anong ginawa niyo?
Yeah, I'd be surprised.
Anyway,
I doubt
masaya
it.
to, maging masaya to. Hopefully guys, we could stream it, pero we don't know how yet. Pero pag meron naman, and
True.
legally,
Yeah.
we could stream it.
Is it on YouTube? And the
Eh,
Facebook? Usually
Jones
Facebook
Cup yun
has
eh.
it. Uh-uh.
Pero tingnan natin how they get the coverage. Just kung pwede natin i-stream, di ba? Why not?
Uh-huh.
And yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun, exciting team, different kind of SGA team this time.
Yeah.
Sabi ka pa, eh, ano ka pa Mario, may mga parting words ka pa.
Uh, Parting words is thanks for the comments last time on the Troy Rosario video.
Dami no, daming it's it's mix of pro Troy and actually hindi naman pro Troy, it's more of get selling decision. But at the same time, marami rin nag-comment. Actually, kung ako tinanong nyo, ito rin gusto ko. Parang ganun.
Yeah. May it's varying between people. Respect ko naman yun, pre. Respect ko
Oo.
yun.
Respect ko naman
Um,
yung Troy Rosario. Ganun din eh.
Gets
Parang,
naman na,
respect
guys.
naman.
Promise, gets namin yun, promise.
Oo.
Promise.
Ito ba yung
I
camera?
truly, ha?
Yung
Oh,
camera
sorry.
po ba? Ayun.
Sorry, sorry, sorry. Pa-edit na lang. My bad. Relax lang ako.
Wala namang nakita. Wala namang nakita.
Real? Okay,
Wala,
okay.
wala,
So,
wala naman. It's just tumapat lang dun sa athletic department.
promise!
Oo.
Ang gago. Yeah, it looks fun, guys. It looks fun. Hopefully, talaga, it's an all Filipino finals or at least maganda yung ipakita ng both teams. Yan yung sanang gusto natin talaga. Doesn't need to be an all Filipino but sana maganda yung ipakita ng both teams. Especially because they'll be up against some pretty world-class talents din. Hindi joke tong liga na to ah. Like, baka people think this is some random ass side tournament that people don't give a shit about. Hindi talaga. People give a shit about this tournament. And
At
you
least
will
we
be able
do.
to see it.
We do.
Oh, at the very least,
We
we
do.
do. Yeah.
We do.
So, sana nga, it's fun for us to watch and we do well. All Filipino teams do well.
Yeah. So, yun lang naman guys. As always, on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. On Spotify, follow 5-star rating. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.